My name is Victor Infante. I'm the entertainment editor for the Worcester Telegram and Gazette, and I've been a judge on New Voices since the beginning.
My name is Amanda Carr, and my day job, when I'm not singing, is Executive Director of WICN Public Radio.
Hi, my name is Chris Goodwin. I'm a arranger and musical director, and I've worked on Grammy-winning and Oscar-winning projects. I played guitar around the world for many, many years.
I think New Voices is important because it gives a forum to young singers in Worcester, which is an area that doesn't have a lot of opportunities for them to garner an audience. I've seen a number of our past contestants, and not just our winners, go on to perform in coffee houses at festivals and such around the city and do amazing things. And it's been a pleasure and an honor to have a part of that.
Well, it provides a great foundation for the young singers to take a chance and see what they can do and how far they can go, and we give them a little guidance.
The number one thing that I look for is that personal connection. Sometimes we are connected by not the perfect voice, but the way that they're able to deliver that song or that connection that they can make.
I'm looking for somebody who is distinctive. Someone who can take a song which might be familiar, and we're going to hear a lot of familiar songs in this process, but make it their own. Make it something special, something personal.
We look for natural ability, sometimes that rare ingredient that really sets them apart, and that's the excitement.
You know, any of the performers that we have on any given day could win or lose this thing. The margins are that thin. The thing to take away from it is that this is a great opportunity, it's a great chance to show what you can do, and if you don't make it, try harder and come back next time. Learn from your mistakes and step up. That's all you can do.
Well, it's not so much winning or losing, it's certainly having the experience of trying something new maybe, or just refining what they've been doing for a while, and see how far they can go.
You know, the experience is the takeaway. It really, honestly, it's always great to win, and it's always great to think that, you know, you're validated because somebody chose you or that you're number one over other people. But really, the takeaway is this experience.
Now that you saw the video package, we're going to go to our judges here in real time. Hi, guys. How's it going? Good.
Great.
Good. We're here for the final episode. Now, is there anything special that you're looking for in the final episode that will really bring the singer over the top?
Well, song choice is key. It really, really is at this point, because as Victor said many times, that we know they can all sing. They can all sing really, really, really great. But song choice allows you to peak.
Sometimes you see somebody and, you know, they're impressive for that one song or maybe for those 5 minutes, but when you see them perform again and it's still that consistent level all the way through, talent level, that really speaks volumes to me.
If they're holding anything back at this point, stop. This is it. You really shouldn't have been holding cards at this point. You really needed to go to 10 to beat the people that won. If you haven't done that yet, then now's the time to pull it out. And if you have been doing that, find an 11.
Let's bring the three up just to say hello, and I want everybody to give them a round of applause because they made it this far. There you have it. First up here on the finals to sing for us, we're going to hear from Mackenzie Clements. She's going to play piano and sing for us again.
So, in honor of Freddie Mercury's his new movie coming out, by the way, how many of you guys have seen it? You have. I really don't. So, in honor of his life, I'm going to sing some of the what you're doing to me. I spent all my years believing you, and still I can't get no relief. Lord, somebody, oh somebody, can anybody find me? I work hard every day of my life, and I work till I ache in my bones. At the end of the day, I take all my harder pay on my own. I get on my knees and I start to pray till the tears run from my eyes. Lord, somebody, oh somebody, anybody find me? Somebody love. Every day, and I try, and I try, and I try, and I try, but everybody wants to put me down. They say I'm going crazy. They got a lot of water in my brain, kind of common sense nobody left to believe. Well, no, yeah. Oh, somebody, can anybody find me? Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody to love. Find me somebody. I am so glad I wore waterproof mascara. That's all I can say, really. I'm going first just because I can't help myself. I'm sorry, guys. Your vocal and performance courage, you've embodied the song. You have the vocal goods, the vocal toolbox to do it, but you embody the song. The only thing that I'm disappointed with is that this isn't a grand acoustic piano, which I'm sure if I saw you playing on an acoustic piano, I would just be over the moon. Wonderful song choice, courageous, and so well done. I'm so impressed. Thank you very much.
I'm really excited that this song allows you to convey so much personality. I mean, music is a communication medium. Which means you're trying to say something through it. And there is so much that came out of that performance on an emotional level. The layers of personality that came through. It was.
Have you ever heard about an artist named Joni Mitchell? You remind me of a very young Joni Mitchell. And I mean that in a very complimentary way. The way you're not afraid to almost make fun of yourself within the framework of the goodness of what you're doing, the greatness of what you're doing. Again, I'm blown away. Well done.